Right about now, ladies and gentlemen, the show goes on non-stop. We're about to bring in yet another uprising stand-up comedian. He's going to make you laugh right about now. He's hilarious, he's funny, he's got what it takes to crack you up tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome on stage the one and only Slim Feet.
Check.
I don't pay my dues, I dey fight it today.
Hey,
People they talk about today.
DJ, your song don't finish. Lagos, he choke, I mean no choke. Baba, I bet more na clap for na safe, na don't come outside. Yeah. Una they enjoy for this Lagos, so una they really enjoy. Country they spoil. Baba, I get issue with two set of people before I leave. I beg if you be house agent here, if God never punish you, two set of people where God when me punish for this Lagos, house agents and motivational speakers. If I'm saying your mind, say aye. If you be house agent, if you make heaven, I swear, and I say God collect agency fee. Very rubbish people. Once they don't wear that, they are native. And if you don't sabi speak English as house agent, I beg, use pidgin, show me where my house is. I will understand. One time he say, bro, this house what I won't give you is in a siren environment. Siren. He say, no, the ambulance won't give me. Motivational speakers won't wound us. I did red carpet. One guy look me say, bro, do you know the you in you is greater than the you in the universe? I say, you are right. Leave me alone. Leave me. No motivational quotes, they work for Lagos again. No, this morning, I ain't two bed, nearly use one stone, kill me. One they target my eye, the other one they shout, kill him. I say, one house agent, don't carry me, go find one house now. I don't pay for 2 years. Lights no in my house. As I speak to you, my room is very dark, man. People who graduate with third class never still understand the joke. I just say, yeah, what did he say? What did he say? Now me tell you where you go Yabatek. Baba, nothing there Lagos, only infection and traffic. If you never get infection, no worry, you go soon get. Delay is not denial. Papa, this is when you cross your leg, I know what you're treating. Staff. Locus. We get group on, me be admin. Why I like infection, they only write down for face. As your faces are different, so are your infection. Cross, am I speaking your mind? You go big brother, go dey fuck with it no good. Now you don't feel stand in peace. Cross. About this country, nothing like this country. My papa say man we get infection for the first time, no they fear to show doctor in prick. Now that time go to hear doctor see am now the cap they swell up, no be the balls. No, see they fear look my prick, look this prick. He choke, I mean no choke. Don't to the get luck say. Now for NSPPD, she go confess her spirit of masturbation. If to say now for Odumeje Church. Odumeje Church will be like comedy show, now the audience be the joke. Deliverance session, she don't rush come outside. Man of God, help me, sir. Battling with the spirit of masturbation, sir. Odumeje. Oshinogini. Masturbation, sir. Matriculation. No, sir. Masturbation. Master. That is, are you a master's degree holder? Are you a graduate? No, sir. Master. The person who God when me punish, now that ain't hype man.
Beggar. You will not know.
Yeah, that ain't hype man. You go first laugh. No, Papa. She says she uses vibrator to help herself in the bathroom when no one sees her. She doesn't know that the Lord sees her. Oh, masturbation kind of boy. Udumeje go say, oh, vibrator. Somebody say vibrator. So my sister collect the mic and take vibrator. So when you vibrate yourself, how do you feel? Sir, when I vibrate myself, it helps my hormones to relax. You sure what? It helps my hormones. It helps Elon Musk to relax. He choke, I be no choke. My name is Comedian Skit. I want to clap for me if I dey try now. You know easy. I do this. See DJ. Island DJ, they play to impress una. Wonderful. Mainland DJ, they don't care about your feelings. Any song will come off for a laptop, you go play. Oga me, my landlord wife died last 2 weeks. They invite one DJ make come play. DJ na from Shagamu. First song where DJ play for person burial now you support it long. You don't go. Now the hype man where they hype now invest me begin hype. No traces. It's gone. As they carry their body, they come out now begin hype. They don't they carry and they go, hey, no. I do this and I leave because of time. My name is Slim Saint. I'm having my show October 25th. I bet I'm gonna support this next generation of comedy. Because if I go back my former work now, I'm not gonna complain. Oh, there's one fine boy stealing phone at Aja on that bridge. It's me. I know my guys. I stopped it for a reason. Anything what you do for this country now, double your hustle, whether you be man or you be woman. Everybody now they chase the bag. Anything we make Tinubu win next year election, Baba, we go run past that bag. Oh. Tinubu never win election, country don't tough like this. This morning, my neighbor come meet me, say, I beg, man, borrow my gas, she won't rush cook beans. Ask yourself this question, did they rush cook beans? Even if you want rush beans, beans go calm you down. He choke, I be no choke. Tinubu never win election, I shower, they charge 250K for fine city. I take no, now my guy tell me, I don't use them. If Tinubu win election, Baba too fuck go hard oh. Cream go too finish. Enter Ebino, Nivea sold out. Who they use and me and cross? The cross you don't enter from my hand. I vote you finish, you don't win. Tinubu never win election, country tough like this. I feel sure in my life, say anything will make Tinubu win election. Finally, in first speech as president, go be. Peter Obi. Who is laughing now? You laugh last, laugh. The way election they go next year, I'm not going to surprise anything to win election. Peter Obi go house party. You'll go do campaign for Chevron. Yes, so you go see Peter Obi for entrance, they follow bouncer. Can I enter, please? I will not make noise. I need 32 Gen Z votes. Can I enter, please? Tattoo they pay. See this guy tattoo. Very painful. I've been teasing I love my mama so much. I sent me the tattoo her face for my chest. Baba, now when they begin draw the gele. Good night, ladies and gentlemen. Good night.
This body is a problem.
Oh yeah.